So hello guys, welcome back to again iTechHub YouTube channel. My name is Trubin. Here in this video I will show you how to contact Apple support. Lot of iPhone and iPad users get Apple support by call or messages. Before the starting this video, please make sure you subscribe my channel, like, comment and share, and also press the bell icon for the more informative video. Now the iPhone users question is how to contact to Apple support on iPhone. First of all, open the App Store from the iPhone home screens. Here in the search bar, search Apple support. Here you want to download install the Apple support applications on the iPhone and iPad. Now open the Apple support applications. After select the which one device you want to help. Now please make sure select the device. After again select the which one problem facing on your iPhone. In my case, I'll select the charging issue on my iPhone 7 Plus. In this screen you can see also contact options available. Here messages or call to options available. Now select the anyone options. I select the messages. Here Apple support live agent connect with you, who is help to support your problems on your iPhone. This way too you can easily contact Apple support. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.